The governor has given you some information. He has welcomed you home. Let me underscore that as a scientist myself, scientific information, including data, have verified that the earliest remains of man were found somewhere in Turkana in Kenya. Therefore, our friends from Europe, our friends from the Americas and Asia and the rest of the continent of Africa, welcome home. This is where the human journey began. And if for any reason you feel so much at home that you're tempted to stay behind, please feel free, because this is home. Secondly, the governor of Nairobi has also told you that this is the only city where the national park, with all the wild animals, is 10 minutes drive from your hotel room. Let me just maybe add to the information that he has given that sometimes the lions and the other wild animals, sometimes they break off from the fence. So if you meet a lion on the street, please be careful, because it is not domesticated, it is wild. But let me say, on behalf of the government,